Hey everybody, welcome back to another installment of Universe Jarvis. So I think I said this a couple videos ago, but if you didn't watch, I'll give a little quick reminder. So, love Ninja products. There were two previous ones with Ninja products, so we just got a third. I actually don't even remember how many we have total, so we'll have to probably end up doing a grand tour of the kitchen at some point. So, just got this yesterday, and it's to replace another appliance that was a smokeless grill. Actually, we hated cleaning the grates on this thing. It was a freaking nightmare. Even with that Dawn power scrubber spray, I felt like I was in the kitchen for 30 minutes trying to get all the cooked on food off. So, we're in Wally World and picked up this guy. It's kind of heavy, but the Ninja Foodi grill. So, has a lot of features. Let's go ahead and go through them. So, it can do up to 500 degrees rapid cyclonic air. So, it's a round searing. That sounds kind of cool, right? 500 degree high density grate, char grilled, marks, and flavor. Let's see. The grill that sears, sizzles, and air fries and crisps. So it's also got an air fryer built in it. That's probably how you get that 360 thing, because up here at the top, your air fryer portion. So no flip, all around searing. There's some salmon right there. It says 8 minutes, frozen to char grilled in 25 minutes. And air fry and crisp, up to 75% less fat. Well, we all know about air fryers. I have a ton of them. So, let's see. What is in the box? So, we've got a chef-created recipe book. It's got 15 recipe tips, tricks, and cooking charts. This grill grate looks like it's going to be super easy to clean, so I'm super excited about that. Most of their stuff has this coating that, things just come out, because we've got the, I think the Speedy. That thing is so easy to clean. Like, I don't know what the heck that thing's coated with, but it's amazing. Alright, so we got the 10x10 grill grate, high density non-stick coated grilling surface, fits 4 8-ounce burgers or 4 7-ounce chicken breasts. Hinge grill hood used to create and capture up to 500 degrees of airflow for fast, more flavorful cooking. It's got a splatter shield as well, which, wow, that's actually pretty cool. That's up at the top, so it's going to keep stuff from getting on the what do you call it? The circulator portion of it that does the air frying and helps cook, I guess. Let's see, 6-quart cooking pot. And 4-in-1 base. Grill your favorite foods, char grill perfection, or go beyond grilling with 3 other convenient cooking functions: air crisp, roast, and bake. And it even comes with a little cleaning brush in here. That's kind of cool. Wow. So I'll just go ahead and kind of run through this real quick, and then we'll start taking it out of the box. So it has this grill control settings that are on the front of it, like these little flames. So small flame, blah, 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 it gradually gets bigger. So let's see, low is going to be best for bacon sausages and when using thicker barbecue sauces. And they have, like, it looks like this kind of like a bratwurst little hot dog thing, 10 minutes. Medium, best for frozen meats and batches of marinated ingredients. So that'll say it'll cook in 25 minutes. High, best for steaks, chicken, and burgers. That's 11 minutes. They've got a New York strip there and some asparagus. Max, best for veggies, fruit, and frozen seafood and pizza. And they've got pineapples and peaches. That's interesting. Not sure about that, honestly, but okay. It looks like it also bakes. I've never really baked in the air fryer. I just feel like you're going to have to watch the heck out of that thing, and whatever you end up getting out is probably going to be charred to all hell. At least something fresh baked like a cake. I guess if you're doing something like cinnamon rolls or something like that, that might be a little bit different, but some of those out of the store. But I still think you'd have to watch it, because depending on how high up or that circulating portion, or I guess you'd call it a heating element, that's the word I'm looking for, how it would actually cook the meat, or not the meat, but the baked good, it may end up charring it. So, alright. Let's see, it actually has some things that you can expand with. It's got a roasting rack, it looks like. It comes with a griddle cup, a veggie tray, and a multi-purpose pan. Looks like we're going to be going on Ninja to look at these other components. So, that's a little cleaning brush right there. It's actually trying to figure out what this is. I don't know. This might be to, remove something, so let's get a little bit closer. But that's the cleaning brush right there. And the little forky looking thing that I was just talking about. Pretty simple packaging, and this is probably our cookbook. So, there's that. Sorry, I was checking to make sure I hit record, because I'm using my Pixel instead of my iPhone. Alright, so check that out. What is this? Oh, this is our griddle plate. Yes, I can tell it's got that great coating on it. Like, look at how freaking shiny that thing is. Nothing's gonna stick to this bad boy. Alright, now, just so you guys can get a sneak peek of it. I actually saw it in the store, but I wasn't able to open it up because for some reason Walmart has the displays are like sealed or something. Because probably people end up stealing. Because that's what they do at Walmart. Everything now has to be behind like locked doors. I went in my neighborhood Walmart and I ended up having to, I needed some cuticle little cutting thing, and somebody had to come out and lock the case. I'm like, that's just ridiculous. All right, so let's open this up. Let's take a gander here. All right, let's go away. All right, so here she is. I'm gonna bring her in close. All right, this is our Ninja Foodi grill. Simple design. I mean, it doesn't really take up a lot of real estate on the counter, which it's only going to be on the counter. It's not going to probably be housed. We've got some shelving that we put our appliances on, just because we don't have a lot of counter space in this house. All right, I see you, Splatter Guard. I guess that comes off. I don't want to. That's actually pretty cool that they thought about that. Like, I love Ninja. They think about stuff like this. Like, it's going to help keep things a lot cleaner. And it's not smoke-free, it's smokeless, so that in its very meaning, which when that first kind of started was misleading, it's not going to have as much smoke. It'll still be some, but it'll help kind of keep the scent and stuff down in the house, which is kind of nice depending on what you're cooking. All right, so a couple different trays here. So this is the, what's that called? I guess this is the pan if you're going to air fry or whatever. This is a basket here. So I'm wondering, so how does this griddle thing fit in here? Do you just... I'm not sure about the direction. I guess that. I have to figure that one out, because I'm sure you don't put this on at the bottom here, because that can't be cleaned. Actually, I'm curious. Let me look it up while we're on video, right? Recipes there. I should have some instructions. And I did make sure I register this too. Okay, so that's the cooking pot, the grill grate, and then the that's the crisper basket for when you air fry. Alright, so let's see here. So it looks like something like that. And then, okay, I was putting it in there wrong. I got it now. All right, so this is how it sits down in there. There's actually a kind of dimple back there. You just have to line everything. I was about to say, I would go in that bottom part. That would be insane because you totally ruined the unit. All right, well. That's the Ninja Foodi. We're about to get some chicken cooked on it. Let me see if I can bring it a little bit closer because I know it's kind of far away just so you guys can see inside. All right, just bear with me here, but there we go. The splatter shield up there, some protection. We've got the grill grate in there and the cooking pot thing. So, all right, we're going to give her a go. I'm hoping that she does not use too much wattage because it's an older house. It's also got, oh, it would need a drip tray. It's not like a regular grill because you're just going to take that out and clean it. Well, kind of excited. Yet another Ninja appliance. So, Ninja, if you're watching, I would love for you guys to sponsor me. At some point anyway. But, shout out. Great products. Love all of them. So, going to give this a test. Like I said, I hope it does not kill the breaker box because that's happened before. We've got the double-sided fryer. I think it's a Crux one. And air fryer, I can't even use it because bloop. And I think this is 1700 watts. So, we're going to see what happens. Anyhow, if you haven't done so, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Comment, follow, share with your friends. I appreciate all the support. You guys are awesome. You guys are phenomenal. I'm a little over 700. We're trying to get to 1,000 and get people to watch. But I know part of that's on me. I have to give you guys content. But I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. And until next time, Universe Jarvis out.